हेलो दोस्तों, आप सभी का स्वागत है मेरे चैनल नॉलेज वर्ल्ड में। और आज हम बात करने जा रहे हैं पावर पीआई के बारे में। पावर पीआई क्या चीज़ है और इसको क्यों यूज़ इतना ज़्यादा किया जाता है आजकल के करंट सिनेरियो में। तो पावर पीआई के बारे में बताने के लिए मैंने ये वीडियो क्रिएट करी है। इसमें आपको डिटेलिंग वन बाय वन शो होती रहेगी। लेट्स स्टार्ट द वीडियो।
PowerBI is a business analytics service developed by Microsoft that enables users to visualize and analyze data from a wide range of sources. With PowerBI, users can create interactive dashboards, reports, and data visualizations that help them gain insights into their business operations. PowerBI integrates with a wide range of data sources, including spreadsheets, databases, cloud services, and other business applications. It also includes powerful data modeling and transformation tools that allow users to shape and transform their data to fit their specific needs. PowerBI is known for its ease of use and accessibility, as it can be accessed through a web browser or a mobile app. It also includes collaboration features that enable teams to work together on data analysis projects and share their findings with others. Overall, PowerBI is a powerful and flexible tool for data analysis and visualization, suitable for organizations of all sizes and industries.